First off, welcome to a quick tutorial on how to edit an article from the front of your website if you are using the K2 news modules and components on your website. This video is being done for those who are with BrianBaldwins.com, clients that I've developed for and worked with. This particular example I'm going to use is for GHScanner.com website I developed for a client that is doing a lot of news right now on their website. And so I'm doing this video for them and their admins and those that are working with the news articles. So if you're viewing this, that means you're probably you've got permissions to edit online and the front end of the website. What you would have to do is you would need to make sure that you are signed in and registered. This particular website, everybody's registered through Facebook. So we're going to go ahead and sign in and register through Facebook. Page should refresh for me. Now, as you can see, I am actually now logged in. This is my account. So what we want to do is this particular person wants to edit a lost and found animal article. So I'm going to scroll down to the article that I want to choose. And it's going to be this lost. Oh, sorry about that. It's going to be this lost Jack Russell. So I'm going to go click to go into that article. And since I'm actually logged into my account, I now have an edit item link right up here at the top of the article. So I'm going to click on that. And as you can see, a new box has popped up on the screen. It's kind of an overlay. You got save, close. You got a bunch of icons up here that really mean about nothing. Here's a title. There's a box here where you can actually edit the title. So we're going to say located. And I'm going to try to put a little bit of something to highlight. I'm not going to destroy the article. I just want to keep it up there. I'm going to say located. It's under the correct category. We're not going to touch this at all. The title alias we're not going to touch. But let's say we wanted to move it to a different category. You can actually click on here and select a different category. It's a pretty good example. So let's say they sent it to cats and they wanted to move it to dogs, so we'd click on dogs. Make sure we moved it over there. You can enter some tags in here if you want to. You don't have to. You can enter in like Jack Russell. So let's say Jack Russell, comma, looks like I spelled that wrong. Comma, dog, comma, lost. These aren't necessary, but if you wanted to. You're really not going to change much more on here, I don't think, for most people. You can change it from featured to yes or no. You can unpublish it too. If you click unpublished, it's going to remove the article from public view. So you can click on that and it'll just take it all out and just not be viewed. But let's go back down here. Let's finish. We're just going to edit the article itself. So we're going to go down a little bit further. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the box. And I'm going to do two returns. And I'm going to say update. Person removed their posting from the Facebook page. So believe that these two dogs were recovered. Thank you. Pretty simple. That's really all anybody really would need to change. You can change all these other stuff. If you're an experienced user, you can change other stuff if you want. Go up here, click Save. Top. You can see this says waiting down there. And there the screen flashes. It's going to go bring that page back up for us. And you see where it says item saved. So you're done. Go over here. This close button really doesn't seem to work for me. Go up here to this X up here. Click on that. And it's not working for me either now. A lot of times, and I don't know if it's just my browser or what, but you can tell that it is closing, but it's going to bring up the main page. Be very honest, I would just hit stop up here in your browser and refresh the page. It'll get rid of it, and it will show that it is a saved article. I'll show you that. So just refresh the page. You might have a different experience if you're on a different browser, but for right now, for me, this is what I found that works best. So you can see here that here's my update in the article and that it's been located. That's all there is to it. Go to your account and log out if you want to.